Hi, you guys. This is Carol Hoffman, and welcome to Bio 11A. I'm excited to be starting this, to be working with you on this course. This is a little bit complicated, this beginning, because we have postponed our start until Wednesday. And please let me know if you need further accommodations. I know that some of you have been displaced by the fire, and we will be flexible and we will make this work. I wanted to let you know that also that this course is asynchronous. What that means is that there is no real time that we will meet face-to-face or Zoom unless it's an office hour. So all materials, all lectures, everything will be posted for you, and you have access to it at whatever time of the day that you need to access it. When it comes to exams, it'll be a broad access time, like an all-day thing. So I look forward to working with you, and stay in touch, and welcome.